welcome back to Angels Light Tarot. Thank you for stopping by for your weekly general message for August the 24th through August the 30th. And of course, we are starting with your Lovebird bonus for those of you who are in a beautiful, beautiful romantic bond. Angels and guides, positive energy, please, for the lovebirds. Yes. Angels, what's going on? What is going on for... I feel like it's that one. Yes. Angels, what's going on for the lovebirds? We have life purpose and rose quartz crystal, soothing and warm like love that flows. Once under your pillow, your magic grows. I feel that your relationship, this is a life purpose. There is a bigger purpose to your relationship than just love and romance, and you know it. I feel you guys were meant to come together to do something great. Maybe it's to work together. Maybe it's to do volunteer work together. Maybe it's to have those genius children. Yes. But definitely there is a greater purpose for you guys to be together. So let's look at the singles. Love energy around singles. What goes on the floor stays on the floor. Angels and guides, positive energy for single Aries for 7 little days. We have support. I definitely feel like there's someone around you this week that is really trying to show you that they like you. They really like you, Aries. Who is it? Whoever is, I would say opening doors for you, doing little favors for you. Keep your eye open because somebody is really liking you. All right, so let's get into your general message for the week. Positive energy for Aries. Yes. Positive energy for Aries for 7 little days. Angels and guides, positive energy, please, for Aries. What is going on? What is going on for Aries? Moving on to the Angels of Light deck. Positive energy. Yes, and yes. Positive energy for Aries. Angels, what's going on? There we go. Moving on to the purple deck. Angels, we're looking for positive energy. Thank you. Thank you, angels. What's going on for Aries? 7 little days. Yes. The angels, we're moving on to the angels deck. Yes, we are moving on to the angels deck for Aries for the last week of August. Well, almost the last week of August. Almost the last week. Positive energy, high vibrations, just joy. Can we have some joy? And we are going to add, don't forget, we're going to add my mama's deck. Yes. Positive energy, high vibrations, looking for positive energy. Yes, and yes for Aries. One more. Thank you, and thank you. Now, are we ready? No, we're not ready. We're almost there. We are almost there, Aries. I promise. We are almost there. Not the last deck. Please don't click away. We're almost there. Now the last deck. We always top it off with the hummingbird deck. All right, angels. Positive energy. Thank you. I much appreciate that. And thank you, angels. Thank you. Moving on to the end of the week and the bonus, and then we're done, and then we can get right into this. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so are we ready? Let's tidy up a bit for Aries. Lots of information here. So, major theme for the week is the Chariot. Where are you going? I feel like the Aries, I feel like with the Chariot card and the Angel of Free Flight, I feel like you are ready to take off. You are ready to go. Heartache and loss. There is something that has been bothering you. You have had compassion in this situation. You've held on forever. You've made this sacrifice. But there's something inside of you with the high priestess that's telling you to do things on your own. That's where the success is going to come from. I hear you're saying, no, I'm going to take matters into my own hands. And I feel like whoever this is that you're talking to, I feel like they're jumping on your bandwagon. So whatever this is, don't be afraid to express your unhappiness, you're not satisfied. Don't be afraid, because I feel like when you talk and you speak, now remember to do it with love. Okay, definitely do it with love. That way they can hear you better, right? They can hear you better. I feel like once you decide that, hey, I'm going to do it my way, I'm going to step out in a different direction, would you like to join me? I feel like they will, okay? Now, when we look at the recent past, we have the 5, the 10 of Wands reversed with the angel of mother love, and partnerships and alliances, relationship harmony, 5 of diamonds, 2 of clubs, ace of feathers, 10 of diamonds, and the 4 of diamonds. So in the recent past, I feel like things seem to have gotten a lot better, right? Things definitely got better. And I feel like it was because with the angel of mother love, it was because you were being kind and gentle, and you were allowing things to be just the way it was. You weren't pushing. You definitely wasn't pushing in this partnership, in this friendship, in this relationship. I feel like because you were trying to create relationship harmony, and I feel like you didn't want things to change. You enjoyed that harmony. I feel like you were talking about that, definitely talking about that. I feel like you had some mental clarity in regard to I'm not going to rock the boat. I hear you saying, I'm not going to rock the boat. And I feel like when you didn't rock the boat with the 10 of diamonds in the recent past, I feel like there was abundance around you. I feel like because you did that with the abundance around you and the 4 of diamonds, because you did that, it feels like even though you had to nurture the situation, even though you had to bite your tongue and watch the way you spoke, things worked out well. Okay, it worked out well in the recent past. Now, when we look in the middle of the week, yes, we have the 2 of cups with the angel of health. Yes, material harvest. You know what to do. With the king of clubs, the 7 of spades, the page of acorns, the joker, and the 5 of diamonds. So I feel like in the middle of the week, your bonds, whether they are romantic, whether they're family, whether they're friends, I feel like they are definitely moving along smoothly, okay? They're not emotionally draining or anything like that. They're just moving along smoothly. There is material harvest within this. It's growing, I feel. And you know what to do while the seas are calm, if you will. Yes, it is time with the king of clubs to speak what you know with not an attachment. It's like speak it, say it, and let it go, right? Don't worry about the outcome, because I feel like there's something wonderful that's going to come from this. With the joker, you're like, really, Dora? Yeah, really. Things are definitely going to change from this conversation that you are about to have. Seems like it's a theme this week, okay? Now, moving to the end of the week, you have the Justice card with the angel of fidelity. Foundation and achievements, moon cycles, the ace of clubs, the king of hearts, the chariot card, woohoo, the jack of clubs with the 10 of spades. So by the end of the week, yes, justice is fair. It is playing out in your favor. You are committed to this foundation. Aha, and achievements. What I feel like this could have something to do with a home, a house, your family. I feel like you're definitely committed to it. Things are going your way, but you're not so sure you feel like things are going to continue to go that way. I see with the ace of clubs, you're like, we need to have a conversation. With the king of hearts, you're definitely feeling a bit of You need to be in control. This week, it's all about you being in control of your feelings. You're making sure with the discipline card and the chariot with the determination, you're making sure things are moving. Like, you know what? I'm not going to second chance this. I hear you saying, I'm not going to second chance this. I'm going to make sure this happens. With the Jack of Clubs, there is an element of creativity. You're not doing it the way you used to do it. And because of that, with the Ten of Spades, you land in success. Yes, yes, yes. Now, let's look at your bonus. You have the Five of Pentacles reversed with the Six of Pentacles reversed with the Angel of Action. Your destiny. Comfort. Yes, yes, yes. Seven of Hearts. 10 of Clubs. Transformation. Ace of Spades. King of Diamonds and the Six of Diamonds. So, yes. Yes, I feel like with the six of diamonds reversed, it's an element of things are going your way. Things are changing, right? Yeah, they're not like they used to be. But you, at the same time, you're feeling like, gosh, it still doesn't feel that fair, if that makes sense. You're ready to take action. This is your destiny. You were meant to do this. It's going to bring you a bit of comfort and relaxation. With the Seven of Hearts, somebody's feeling is going to get hurt, okay? Somebody's feelings is going to get hurt by this conversation that's going to happen. But it has to happen with the transformation for things to change. This is definitely a new beginning. Put your crown on, okay? And don't take it off. With this King of Diamonds, you have to take control. Yes, with the Six of Diamonds, the last card, with the Six of Diamonds, it's saying if you want things to move in the direction that you want it to, this week is screaming, take control, take matters in your own hands. Do not leave it up to the status quo. Whatever happened in the past, whoever was in charge in the past, no. And I hear you saying, no. This is the week that you step up, you put on your crown, and you start moving forward. They can either come or not. I think they'll come. I'm pretty sure they'll come with you, okay? So I send you joy, namaste, and much, much love sent your way.